Are you a buyer thinking about making an offer on a property, but you want to have your compensation included in your offer? Well, here's a quick tip on how to do it. You discovered now that when you're hiring a realtor, you have to sign an agreement with them. And now maybe you're really nervous that you're going to be on the hook about compensating them in the event that the seller doesn't pay them. You want to ask your agent that you're working with, hey, what forms are there out there that would help the seller compensate us in the event that you help us? So this year, they've come up with a few forms that will help you. One that's the most important is that you're telling the seller your offer's contingent on that seller compensating your realtor that you decided to hire. There's also another form that says, hey seller, I want you to compensate X percentage to my agent if I do purchase your home. And there's another form that you can sign that says, seller, you will pay my buyer's broker this fee at closing. So you have to see which form is going to work best for you. Now understand, not every seller is going to agree to pay that percentage, so it's going to be up to your agent how they negotiate, and you have to understand also that if the seller doesn't and you fall in love with that house, there might be a chance that you will have to pay part of that compensation. But that is a conversation that you have to have with your agent moving forward on that particular home. But just know there are forms out there that will help you negotiate some of these compensations. If you're thinking about purchasing a home and you're not sure which one to use, make sure you reach out to us. I'm Albert with the Pavon team, and we'll be more than happy to help you.